Hi guys, so today I will teach you how to use someone's driveway when they ask you to do a 3-point turn in such kind of narrow road. This is Instructor Athar here giving you some very valuable information. So first of all, put your left signals on, check your center mirror, stop next to the curb, don't hit the curb. Now the second step would be align your right mirror to the first, like where their the driveway starts, exactly align it over there. Right, in this way we will not hit the curb on the right side. Now turn your steering all the way on the right. It's already in drive mode. All right, check your center mirror, right mirror, check your shoulder all the way. Nobody is coming, no cyclists. Keep your signals intact and we will turn all the way. Okay. Now straighten the wheels, go into the driveway. This is it. Now you will put your gear in reverse. No need of any signals. Check your center mirror, right side, left side, back of the car by turning your head, and now turn it all the way on the left. Keep going back. Keep checking your reverse camera. So there is a red light. It should not hit the curb. All right, now go back this much. Now you will finally put your right signals on. The right signals are on. Again we will put it in drive mode, and we will check our center mirror. We will check our right side. Nobody is coming. We will turn it to the right and we will clear. So this is how exactly your 3-point turn works when using someone's driveway. All right, thank you.